Dropbox, however, also comes with some demerits, including limited free storage space, potential security concerns, dependency on internet connectivity for access, and occasional sync issues, relatively expensive pricing plans. Fret not. Watch on for its best substitutes in this video. Top 1. Best Dropbox Alternative Assistant for Android. In order for users to quickly access the most cost-effective alternative to Dropbox, we shall include important information about Mobikin Assistant for Android directly in this section. Choice 1. Transfer data from Android to computer selectively. Choice 2. Backup and restore your Android content in bulk. Choice 3. Manage your Android phone on your computer. Top 2. Google Drive. When you think of cloud storage, Google Drive is probably an excellent service. That comes to mind, and with good reason. Google Drive lets you store and sync files across multiple devices and back them up, ensuring they are never lost. Top 3. OneDrive. Microsoft OneDrive offers 1 terabyte of cloud storage with features like collaboration, document scanning, and personal vault for added security. Top 4. Amazon Drive. Amazon Drive, a cloud storage service from Amazon, offers secure file backups, easy sharing and previewing, and on-demand photo printing through Amazon Prints. Top 5. Box. Box is a cloud storage service designed for businesses and teams, offering productivity tools and robust security features. Top 6. Sync. Sync.com is a top Dropbox alternative, offering a free plan with 5 GB storage and 30-day file versioning. With real-time backup and sync, plus granular permissions, it's great for collaboration. Top 7. Tresorit. Tresorit supports multiple platforms for seamless collaboration and ensures file security with enterprise-level encryption. Top 8. pCloud. pCloud provides secure cloud storage with TELS or CSEL encryption and 3 server backups, even in the free version with 10 GB storage. Top 9. Mega. Mega stands out as a top free Dropbox alternative, offering 20 GB of free storage. You can boost this by completing tasks like downloading the desktop and mobile apps, each providing 5 GB valid for 1 year. Top 10. IDrive. Like Dropbox, IDrive combines backup and cloud storage, but with fewer collaborative tools. This service offers basic sharing features, including a generous 10 GB free tier and a 10 TB paid plan at $6.22 monthly.